Alright, for those of you that want to see the agonizing steps of building these center cubes, that's what this video is all about, okay? Um, you know, you're free to watch this. From our last video, basically what I've done is get the pairs of the centers built. So, I'm going to come back in another video and where all these are built. But I know that sometimes when I've done it, or reviewed instructional material, it's kind of hard to follow if you have certain steps cut out. And of course, it makes sense to me because I can do these, but I think it's good for those who want additional practice up to my next video, which is getting the last two pairs done. You can see the steps of what I'm doing. As you can tell, I've already started pairing up orange and yet white and whatever. So basically that's all I do. It's a game of matching these up, finding a match. And again, on a 4x4x4, it's easy. So I'm going to match them up. There's fewer pieces. See, there's the white red. I'm going to bring that down, bring that over, but I don't want to mess these pieces up. So basically, these are already built on this end, so I gotta maybe go left this time instead of right, and then move these pieces out of the way with some pieces that are not yet built, and then bring that back, then bring that up. So, that's basically the name of the game of this. It's a tedious process, but it works. So there I see yellow and red, bring this over 180. There's yellow and red, and yellow and red. I need to flip this around to this other plane. And again, it's not complicated. I'll just move it to the back, shift it up one, rotate this back down, and now bring it back to the left. And now you'll notice it's over in this position. And so I have a messed up one there. I can bring that down. I'll bring that back up, because if I turn that to the right, that'll be out of that perspective, you see. And then I'm going to move this out of the way and move these pieces that are not yet built down, and then bring that back and bring that back up. So then the next one, as you do more and more of these, they're going to line up and be easier to be found. So here's this one. I have some junk there that I can move that into. And, see, and then these are flipped around. I can flip that up to the back, bring that up, bring it back down. In essence, what that does, that rotates that from this position to that position. Bring it down, form the piece, replace it with ones that are not yet built, and then bring that back up. As you can tell, the more and more I look around, oh wow, I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting down to the last two pieces here. And that's where I'm going to stop for this. I have, in most cases, you'll want to end up with 3 pieces. But in this case, we ended up with 2. And I'll show you how to do that in my next video. Again, what I'm going to do is, this is the exact point at which I'm going to stop for the 4x4x4. And then in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to deal up with pairing up these last 2 that are not there. Now again, in most cases, and I'll get into that in my next video, is you'll have 3 sets of ones that are not lined up. And that's where you want to be most of the time. But I'm grateful that this condition happened, because I want to be able to show you the steps of how to break it into 3 and then get it in so that you can solve these remaining centers. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to the 5x5x5. And again, this can be an incredibly long video, so I apologize. But that's basically what I need to do here. See, I see the pink and the green, and the center pink and the green. Again, to bring that down into alignment, I can bring that down on that, and then bring that down, and then I'm going to bring that down, turn it right, turn it away, and replace it with ones that are not paired, turn it back, and then turn it back up. So now you'll see that I got those 2 paired up. I'm going to keep repeating this process, just like I said, until I get all these pieces to prep to the next point that I want to make. So there's the orange and yellow. I need to flip that around. So again, take that to the back, take that up, take that down, bring that back, and now they're in the same perspective. Yellow and orange, bring that down. And one of the beauties of this is now that I have 2 of them built, even though I have 2 built, I can still get this used as replaced with something else. So I'm going to turn this down, and then I'm going to turn that down. Even though I have 2 of them built, I don't care about what's in this position just yet. So bring that back up, and now you'll see I have some more built. Again, I'm going to keep repeating this process until I get it done. And again, with less tiles like this, it's super easy. You know, now I see the blue and the white, boom, bring that down. Again, it's a matter of perspective. You know, you'll notice I don't care about the centers at this point. You know, I don't want to mess them up. That's a lot of work that we did to get to there. But basically, I can bring that down, bring that over, push it out of the way, bring in another piece, return it back, and bring it back up. Oh wow, look at that. I just happened to solve 2 of them. I didn't even plan on solving that. I was matching up the white and the blue, and then the yellow and blue linked up on its own. You know, that can happen, you know. It's really awesome. So, let me see. What can I get next? There's a white and a green. Again, the center is opposite of the way I want it. So I'm going to bring that to the back, shuffle it up, turn it right or clockwise, then bring that back down to the bottom. And then I'm going to turn it back left. And then there it is. I'm going to bring that down, bring that over, bring that down. And again, you know, it's not like at this point, like the 4x4x4 where, you know, I got to worry about, oh, I'm going to mess it up. Because this one line, I don't care what's in this. I can bring that back up, and then we're good to go. And then I got some more built. So I can keep pairing these 2 up as quickly as I can. There we go. There's yellow and green, and then I can bring this down and then bring that to the right. There's yellow and green. Okay, and I have some pairs that I can maneuver the cube out, bring it to the right, turn that off to the side, bring that back, bring that up, and then I got those. So I'm going to keep, you know, I think what I'll do is you know, I think people got it. You can just watch me pair these up. You know, I'll have to go a little bit quicker here, trying to find the next ones I want to pair up that I can. Okay, here's white and blue. I thought I saw white and blue. There it is. Okay, I just need to flip that over so I can get that lined up. Now again, because I took 2 wedges down, I can't bring that down. So that I need to go back the other way.